Now let us start today's session, and in this session we are going to talk about in the previous class I has already told that we are talking about the different kind of the body parts, and in this we have talked about the how the body motions, and to move our body we require some skeleton, and with the help of that skeleton the body moves. Now today in this session we are going to talk about in this session we are going to talk about in this session we are going to talk about the human skeleton, the skeleton human skeleton, and within this how these skeletons are made up of. There are the different kind of the to make this skeleton. There are the different parts of the skeleton. What are these parts of that skeleton? Number one, that is called the skull. This part of the part, this is the skeleton part, which is known as skull. Second part, which is known as rib cage. I will talk about this. This part is known as rib cage. Third, this skeleton is made up of skull, rib cage, and there is a spine that is called backbone. Backbone. And another part that is called a limbs. This limbs is again divided into different parts, that is arms, what we call as another part that is called legs, and another part that is called joint. These joints are basically two types. These joints is basically two types. These joints is basically two types. Joints are basically two types. One is called fixed joints, and another called fixed joints and immovable joints. Fixed joints and immovable joints. That fixed joints is again it is also called movable. That fixed joints is immovable joints, whereas another kind of the joint that is called movable joints. This is the all about the human skeleton. This is all about human skeleton. You can just go through it. This is the human skeleton, and in this human skeleton, there are the number of the parts. That parts are basically that is called the skull, rib cage, spine, or we call as a backbone. Another part that is called limbs. Limbs is again divided into different parts, that is arms, legs, and joints. These joints are, it may be fixed joints, and these fixed joints are immovable joints that cannot move, and another joint that is called the movable joints. These movable joints are having these movable joints are again I am talking about the movable joints. Here I am writing here the movable joints. The movable joints are like hinge joints, hinge joints, another joints that is called pivot joint, another joints that is called pivot, ball and socket joint, ball and socket joints. Ball and socket joint. These are the joints which is known as a movable joints. Now I am going to discuss one by one all these things. Got it? All of you. Have you got it? These are the skeletal parts. We are talking about all the skeleton. Skeleton provides the motion to our body. Okay? And this skeleton is made up of these things. What are these things? I will tell you. The skull, rib cage, spine, that is backbone, limbs. I will discuss one by one these things. And limbs is basically arms, legs, and joints. Joints are again divided into two parts. Fixed joints, that is immovable joints, and another joint that is called movable joints. These movable joints are hinge joints, pivot joints, and ball and socket joints. These are the overall skeleton. I will ask you write down the sketch about the human skeleton. So you have to write these part of the body. Okay, fine. Now I am going to discuss these things one by one. If I will talk about better, I will give chance. Chitesh, I will give chance. Now when we talk about skull, human skeleton. These are the human skeleton. These are the human skeleton. Now, when we talk about the skull is this part. The brain part is known as the skull of the human body. This part, this head wala part. This head part is known as the skull. Okay? This head part is known as a skull. What happened here? This skull basically protects this skull. Skull basically protects the brain. Protect the brain. Human brains. It protects the human brain. Okay? And the face part, all over this, above the neck, this whole the part, above the neck, this whole the part is basically called as a skull. Fine? Fine? Here, what happened with that skull? Skull is a basically what does it? It protects the brain. There is a brain inside this skull. There is a brain inside this skull. That skull basically protects the brain. Okay? It has a different. It is made up of different kind of the bones. It is made up of a different kind of the bones. Where there is a some bones which is rigid. There is some bones which is rigid. There is some bones which is rigid. The face part, this one part, head part. These overall called as a skull. And skull is basically protects the brain. Okay, fine. Now second thing, rib cage. This chest part, this chest, this chest part is made up of a circular kind of the things. There is a circular bones are here. This in the this center of this heart. Okay, this is the spinal cord. This is the spinal cord. Nearby this is spinal cord. There is a circular kind of the cage, and this circular kind of the cage basically protects our heart. This circular cage of bones, this circular cage of bones are protect our heart. Okay, okay, where this heart, your lungs are expand and stress according to the when we take a breath or when we take a breath or release a breath, release of oxygen. When we take a breath or release a carbon dioxide, at that time, whatever there is a heart present inside this rib cage. This is called as a rib cage. Rib, ये क्या है? हाँ बेटा, ठीक है? This is the rib cage. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. This is the rib cage, and rib cage basically protects our heart, or lungs. When this expand, this heart expand, or when we release the carbon dioxide is contract. When we release the oxygen, or when we take a breath, fine. When we take a breath, this heart basically contract, and when release carbon dioxide, this heart basically expand. At that time, this rib cage protects our this heart. Fine. Now there is a spinal. This part, this middle part of our body. This middle part of our body is basically called as a spine. This middle part of our body, that is called a spinal. Okay, fine. This one, this long root. Fine. This one part, middle part of this, that is called a spine. That is also called as a backbone. Okay, this spine is directly attached with the neck heart. This spine is directly attached with the neck bone. Okay, directly attached with the neck bone, which is attached with the skull. This spine is directly attached with the skull. Okay, if any problems take place here, if any problems take place in the spine, that problem goes directly to the brain by the skull. So it is a spine, that is called a backbone, and it is also called as a spinal cord. This is part of a spinal cord, which is straight line bones, which is straight line bones. Okay, and there is a limbs. Limbs is basically a kind of the long bone. Limbs, these limbs are basically long bones. These limbs are basically long bones with joints. With joints. Limbs are basically the kind of the bones which is long. All these parts of the limbs, and there is a joints. Like here, you can see here there is a one joint, and this one is the long bones. This long bones is joined with this part. Okay, so this wherever there is a long bone, wherever there is a long bone, like a thigh. Thigh is a long bone. On this long bone is a joint with the knee. This long bone is a joint with the knee. Fine. Long bone is joined with the knee. Whether you are observing him, all of you, whether you are observing him, this is the thigh. This portion is a thigh. This thigh is attached with this knee. There is a knee. There is a knee. Again, this knee is again joined with the leg arms. there is a leg. This part is basically called as a leg. This one part. This part is called leg. This part is a leg. Leg is a joint with knee. Leg is a joint with knee. So all the in the body, wherever there is a long head, long bone, that bones are joined with the knee. That bones are joined with the any kind of the joint is there. That is basically called as a limb. This is known as a limbs. Okay, this is known as limbs. Now these limbs are arms. These are the arms. These are the arms. This part is arms. Fine. Again, arms. Arms is attached with joints. Arms is attached with joint. This part is a joint. Again, there is a legs. This part is basically called as a legs. This part of leg is called as a legs. Fine. Okay. So these are the limbs. What happened in limbs? Limbs is basically long bones. That long bones are joined with the long bones that joins with the joints part. Okay. Fine. This much. Have you got this much? Fine. All of you. Have you clear with this? If you are clear, please type some impression so that I can understand. These are the, again, there is a skull. Skull is made up of this. This part is a brain part is basically known as a skull, and this skull is a basically protect the brain. There is a rib cage. This chest part where the rib cage are surrounded with this kind of the ring kind of the structure which protects our lungs or there is a spinal cord which is in between on this back side. That is also called as the backbone. There is a limbs. Limbs means what? Limbs is the kind of the structure which is made up of long bones and joints. And joints. What are these? These are the arms, legs, and joints. Now these joints again divided into two parts. That is called fixed joints, and that fixed joint which cannot be moved. Here you can see, if you talk about this long bones, these long bones cannot move anywhere. This long bone, this part, this much apart, this much apart. Okay, this much apart from here to here. This much apart cannot move. Okay, anywhere, any direction. That's why this kind of the bones are called immovable. Here you can also see in our brain this skull. There, this upper part, which is fixed, that is rigid. This rigid part cannot be moved here and there. Okay, this nose, you can see here, nose part, upper nose part, this one, that is again straight line. That is again this part, nose part, long nose. This nose bones are a rigid bone. Okay, so these are called basically non-immovable joints. These are called immovable joints. Okay. Now there is a, that is also called as a fixed joint. Now there is a movable joints that moves by which the position are changed. What are they? Like the soldiers can move here and there, left, right. Neck also can left, right, back, back and forward. This can be take place here. This hand also can forward and backward. This kind of the motion take place. That's why this kind of the joints is called as a movable joints. That's why this kind of the joints is known as movable joints. Now when we talk about what are the different movable joints present in our body, there are a number of the joints, but we are here only talk about the three joints. What are these three joints? Number one, hinge joints. Hinge joints are basically what is hinge joints? Hinge joints is basically where it found this elbow. Okay, this elbow provides back and forth, back and forth. So this kind of the joints, that is called called as a hinge joints. Okay, this joints which is present here on leg, this knee part on leg, there is a knee which provides only ups and downs, back and forth, back and forth. This kind of the joints which provides backward and backward and forward. Only two direction of motion provides by this joint, that is called a hinge joint. Hinge joint is a kind of the joint which gives the motion in backward and forward direction only. That kind of the joints are known as hinge joints. When we talk about this last one, ball and socket joint, this is the ball and socket joint. Okay, fine. Where this long bones, arms boom, this is the arms, soldier. This soldier booms, this arms boom joint with this. There is a socket. This is the long. What we are talking about, this is the long bone of arms. This is the long bones of arms, and this long bones are attached with the socket. There is a socket in this, and because of this, they rotate anywhere, in any direction. This gives in the motion in all the direction. This kind of the joints are basically provide the motion in all the direction. Okay, that's why we can exercise our body, our soldier, left, right, and also we can rotate it in all the direction. That's why this kind of the joints is known as ball and socket joints. There is a ball type of structure. There is a ball type of structure. That ball type of structure is basically fixed in. This ball type of structure is fixed in socket. This ball type of structure is fixed in socket. That's why it is called a ball and socket joints. There is another kind of the joint that is called pivot joint. This pivot joints means what? This neck joint, where the necks are joined. This neck joints are directly attached with this chest part. Neck joint. This neck joint when directly attached with the chest part, it gives the rotation to this neck, rotate all around, in between, and left and right also. This kind of the joint is basically called as a pivot joint. It is all about this, all about the joints. Now I am going to stop the recording. Whatever the question you have, you can ask.